So, while I was away, Damien bought a new toy. Here it is. It's a Patrol of some description. He sort of did it semi-covertly, so I don't really know too much about it. I do know that it has a funny engine in it that's definitely not out of a Nissan. Yeah, look, looks like most other later model GUs. Obviously it's got a facelift front end, a big snorkel which is through the bonnet, which is intriguing. Obviously, you know, a TJM bull bar. It's still got some wrap on the bonnet, but all that's coming off, I believe, anyway. So let's go for a look. Flash B on 33s, by the look of it, on some Procom alloys, which I believe are for sale. If you're so interested, send Damien a message. Let's cut to the chase so I can see an intercooler. Let's look at the exciting bit. Bonnet opens fantastically. You can see it is beautifully smooth. Someone hasn't quite cut the snorkel. Now this is a very not ZD30 looking engine. Basically, long story short, it's a Duramax out of a Silverado, which is a 6.6, I believe, litre turbo diesel V8. It's starting to become more of a common conversion in stuff, mainly because if it powers a big bloody Silverado, it's going to go sweet in a Patrol. Yeah, look, it's pretty stock. It does need to be engineered, so we're going to basically try and fix a few bits and pieces on it to get it through engineering. Obviously it's had a stainless snorkel and airbox knocked up because, you know, trying to suck through that rubbish plastic snorkel they usually come with probably wouldn't happen. The conversion's been done really neat. I believe Mitchell Brothers 4x4 did it.
Yes, Aaron and Ben from Mitchell Brothers 4x4 started the conversion and we're going to finish it.
Yeah, well, we say that. This thing runs and drives. I haven't actually been for a drive in it yet, but yeah, from what Damien said, it drives fantastically, and I don't doubt it. The quality of workmanship from, you know, what I've seen literally just now, it all seems to be good. Yeah, as in, there's not just stuff that's been dodgily cut and just jammed in there. Looks like someone's actually kind of taken pride in it, which is good to see. Sometimes few and far between these days. Anything I should know about it, Damien?
Yes, I need to get the AC hooked up before I roast.
That's right. For anyone who's never been in a car with Damien, basically, if it's above 15 degrees, the AC is on flat out. Doesn't matter, like, nothing matters as long... Literally, he'll jump in my Navara, straight away he's going for the AC button. I'm like, what? I'm more of a windows down person. And, yeah, so Damien loves his AC. So yeah, that does not surprise me one bit.
So that's obviously got nothing connected to the AC compressor at the moment. We need to put the condenser in and make some lines and all that sort of stuff, but that'll happen quickly. There's just a whole bunch of tidying that needs to be done. Like, mostly it's all fine. Some wiring I really want to tidy up. Obviously engineering, suspension, etc., etc. But the key bit is there's a Duramax in the Patrol and it runs and drives.
Yeah, and it's got an Allison behind it.
It does have an Allison 6B behind it.
Yeah, it's got a front mount and an oil cooler jammed down in here. It's probably pretty hard to see on the video, but yeah, look, it's going to be quite an interesting project. Like, because the hard bit is done, and I can't stress that enough. Like, because, well,
nice
I'm going to
hole
say
in the
for
garden.
the past 18 months, you've been saying, oh, I want a Duramax Patrol. Let's build a Duramax Patrol. I'm just going to buy a Duramax Patrol. Now I'm going to buy a Silverado. And so we're full circle. You bought a Duramax Patrol, which I'm thankful for because it means I don't have to help build Duramax in the Patrol.
For you guys that don't know, it is a ridiculously involved conversion. I believe, I forget where it is, does the conversion is $48,000 drive in, drive out. It's not exactly a simple conversion. Obviously the engine and gearboxes aren't cheap, but a lot of labour involved. The conversion kit and comes with sumps and adapter plates and blah, 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 blah. It's just not cheap in general. The rest of the car is okay. The paint's not very, it's very hard to see in the video, but the paint's a bit average. Basically, the people who took the wrap off the car stuffed it up. There's razor blade marks everywhere, destroyed paint, flaking paint. Obviously, there's still wrap on the thing. Conveniently, though, insurance is going to pay for all that.
I like this. This is a nice touch.
It is. It's just a speed hole.
That's what
So obviously, I need to put a guard on it when it gets painted. But cool thing is, if you open the door, it's a Series 4 GU Patrol. And it's got the Series 4 GU Patrol dash that turns to mush. It's all bubbly and great. Mostly standard in there. It's even got standard GU radio, which, believe me, that's going to change. But look, it's pretty clean and tidy. I'm not going to open the rear doors. You might be able to see through there. God, that's a horrible camera angle. But there's a set of Black Widow drawers, a cargo barrier, etc. in there. As Kyle mentioned, the 33-inch Pro Comps, which are for sale. Hit me up, Damien at dodgycarsales.com. 4-inch stainless exhaust. It's all done properly. It's got a fast lift pump. And obviously we're going to tune it. Of course. I'm trying to resist having it on the dyno for as long as physically possible.
Look, we did literally talk about putting it on the dyno this Savo / this evening. We're running a bit late, let's be honest. We just sort of filmed another video which took about 5 times as long as it needed to, but some of you may have noticed, sometimes we get a little sidetracked.
So anyway, this is going to be the subject of many a video soon.
Yeah.
So we thought we'd give you a very quick overview. I mean, it's sitting in an awkward spot. It's hard for me to go through the car properly, but we no doubt will do a complete comprehensive review on the vehicle and numerous improvements in the short term.
So Damien's actually using this as his daily at the moment.
God.
I'm not sure why, what possessed him to think about that, but anyway.
Hashtag life goals is what that is. What do you drive daily? Duramax Patrol.
Yeah, look, it's certainly something not everyone owns, which is good.
People get out of your road.
Yeah.
It's good on fuel too. It's doing sort of 13 litres per 100.
That's not bad.
And 90% of that's around town.
Yeah. So, well, I'm looking forward to fixing a few bits and pieces and changing a few bits and pieces, and we've got to do a couple of things to get it engineered, so that's kind of the priority at the moment, aside from the aircon, apparently.
Is it? Well, it's going to need aircon to be engineered, mate.
So
the land of Damien's engineering, it needs aircon. Anyway,
of course.
so you shall see more of the Patrol. Stay tuned.